Okay, now we're going to look at doing long division. Steps when we are doing long division. There's always a set of steps that we have to make sure we're doing and completing. Okay? The first step is divide. Okay? That's when we're going to look at how many times a number can go into another number. Okay? Then we multiply. Okay? That's our second step. Divide, then multiply. Then we subtract. After that, if we need to, we bring down. Okay? And then we start the process, and then we end up just starting the process all over again. Okay? In this case, if we end up having remainders, we're going to use remainders. We're not going to go ahead and do decimals. I'll show one with decimals maybe a little bit later in another video. Okay? So here we go. We're going to divide. First step, divide. 9 goes into 1, doesn't go in. Get in the habit of putting that 0 up there. Okay? Just so that you're not filling in a place value or anything and you're not getting mixed up in your work. So 9 goes into 1 0 times. So since it goes in 0 times, I'm going to just skip to the next number. So 9, instead of 9 going into 1, I'm going to go 9 goes into 12. Okay, 9 goes into 12. Well, I know 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. That's too much. All right? 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 2 is too many times. So 9 goes into 12 one time. Now I've done my divide part. Now I'm going to multiply. I multiply 1 times 9. I multiply this times this. 1 times 9 is 9. I'm lining it up with the 12 because that's the number that I divided by. Third step, subtract. 12 minus 9 is 3. Fourth step, bring down. Bring down the 6. Now I start all over again. I still have place values here, so I'm still going to keep going. We want to divide. 9 goes into 36. 9 goes into 36 4 times, right? 9 times 3, 27, right? 9 times 4 is 36. That works out evenly, right? So 9 goes into 36 4 times. There's my divide. Now I multiply. 4 times 9 is 36. Then I subtract. I get 0. Then I bring down. There's nothing more for me to bring down. All I'll bring down from now on is zeros. So I've zeroed out, and I'm done. My answer is 14. Again, staying neat and organized is important in all math, but especially when we're doing this. We don't want things to start getting smushed together. Neat and organized. Okay, let's look at another one. Another one that maybe one that's a little bit trickier. Let's put 2-digit number on the outside. And let's have a 3-digit number on the inside. So we have 391 divided by 17. Again, the steps of long division are always going to stay the same. I'm going to divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. And then as long as I still have place values, I'm going to repeat that process. 1739. Let's say I don't know what that is. We can utilize a guess and check situation. Okay, so 17 39. 17 is close to 15. I would know that 15 is 230. So let's try 17 times 2. If I do 17 times 2, 14, 5, 2, 3. I get 34. Right? So 17 can fit into 39 2 times. Right? I can't go to a third time. That would be too many. 17 more would get me well past 39. So that was a good guess and check. Okay? So 17 times 2. Now I've divided. I'm going to multiply out. 17 or 2 times 17. Well, thank goodness we already did that. It's 34. Now my second step is to subtract. Or third step, sorry, third step. Subtract. 39 minus 34 is 5. Then my fourth step is to bring down. Okay, 17 into 51. Okay, might be a little trickier. 17 is close to 20. 20 would go into 15 2 times. I've already done this. So let's just try 3. Let's try out, probably going to be close. Let's try 17 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 1 is 3. Times 2 is 5. Oh, it goes in exactly 3 times. Good. So I've now divided. 17 goes into 51 3 times. I'm going to multiply 17 times 3. Already know that that's 51. Third step is to subtract. 0. Now I've zeroed out. Nothing else to bring down. 23 is my answer. Alright, hope you guys are able to follow along. Again, long division, stick to the 4 steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Alright? Does McDonald's sell burgers? Does McDonald's sell burgers?